Marco, a night shift janitor at Omni Corporation, shuffled through the deserted hallways. At 58, he'd seen his share of corporate excess, but tonight felt different. A strange chemical smell permeated the air near the CEO's office. A sterile, unsettling odor unlike the usual office cleaner. Curiosity gnawed at him. He knew Omni Corporation, a pharmaceutical giant, had been under fire lately for allegedly burying damaging test results. He'd always dismissed it as conspiracy until tonight. Venturing closer, he noticed a faint light emanating from under the CEO's door. Protocol forbade entering the office, but something compelled him. Using his master key, he slipped inside. The scene was sterile and unsettling. A single laptop illuminated the room, displaying a complex chemical formula. Next to it, a shredder whirred quietly, spitting out confetti-like pieces of paper. Marco's eyes landed on a discarded memo, half-shredded but still legible. It spoke of unforeseen complications and acceptable losses. The implication was chilling. Omni Corporation knew their new drug had dangerous side effects, and they were covering it up. He felt a knot forming in his stomach. This wasn't just corporate greed, it was potentially lethal. As he pieced together the shredded documents, a clearer picture emerged. The drug, intended to treat a rare disease, was causing severe organ failure in some patients. Omni Corporation, instead of halting production, was suppressing the data and silencing concerned doctors with a dozen payoffs. A wave of nausea washed over Marco. He thought of his own family, his neighbors. What if they were unknowingly taking this poison? He had to do something. But how could a simple janitor take on a powerful corporation? Just then, he heard the elevator hum. Someone was coming. Panic seized him. He scrambled to gather the shredded documents, shoving them into his janitorial cart just as the CEO, Mr. Harding, a man whose face plastered every business magazine, strode into the office. Harding's eyes narrowed. "Marco, what are you doing here?" Marco stammered, his heart pounding. "Just cleaning, sir." Late night, Harding's gaze swept the room, landing on the still whirring shredder. A flicker of suspicion crossed his face. "See to it that this office is spotless." And Marco, a word of advice. "Some things are better left unseen." Harding's words hung in the air, a thinly veiled threat. Marco knew his life had just taken a dangerous turn. He now possessed information that could bring Omni Corporation crashing down, but revealing it could cost him everything. The question was, could he live with the silence?